I have had a tutorial request. Great, she has requested that I do a video on a technique that I have on my Instagram feed. So if you want to see this original post, then you'll have to go to Jady's Creative on Instagram and find it there. It's not too far down the feed. It's just a little thing that I've tried, and it's been a really long time since I did it. So I'm going to try to do it again. I'm going to use Pinata Blue, Baja Blue, and I'm daring to try using Ranger with it. This is Sunshine Yellow. I'm going to use the Claro Extender from Pinata, and I also have in this bottle just some isopropyl alcohol. What I also have is a straw and a piece of Yupo paper, one that I have previously been experimenting with on the other side. So I'm going to give it a go. Let's give it a try. So first of all, I'm going to place a little bit of rubbing alcohol onto my palette. Then I am going to do, oh, look at all the dust. Now this is gonna be something interesting. A little blue. I'm gonna leave my lid off. Taking my straw and blowing. So I'm just getting it to move a little. Then, once I've got some movement, I'm going to take the Pinata Yellow. No, I'm going to take the Ranger Yellow and crack that baby open. Right here, there's still a little bit of, it's going to go green, ladies and gentlemen. As I was saying, there's a little bit of alcohol still there. And I've spread the color. You know what we're missing here is some gold. Okay, so now that I've got a little yellow and a little blue, I think I need a little more yellow right here. Then I'm going to take a little of this color extender and I'm going to give it a little plop right there. And a little drop right there. And as I move along, I'm going to use maybe a little more, I go back and forth between the alcohol and the color extender. A little bit more yellow. And I think I need a little bit right here and here and here and here. I just do little drippy drops. Making the color move along the page. You've probably seen 1,000 videos exactly like this. I'm just gonna get off of my chair. It's too dark here for me, so I'm going to do a little drop of rubbing alcohol. All right, we're going to take a little bit of gold. Oh, I can't get it open. Oh my God, it's been on there forever. I don't know if I'll be able to get it off. Just going to take a little pair of scissors. Look at all this gold flake flying everywhere. You can use that, you know. There's a thing where you take the gold off of your, or the ink off of your bottle, like this splatter here, and add alcohol to it, and it creates really cool patterns too. See if that'll help. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, we may not be able to do any gold. Oh, it's so bad. Okay, forget it. I tried. I can't do the gold. Let's see if we can stick some of this in there. All right, a little bit of gold fleck. I've just dropped it in there. I'm reactivating it. I'm just seeing. Break it down. I don't like it. Goodbye. All right, let's get back at it. I dropped alcohol in a couple different places. Color extender. Needs a little more. There. Maybe some here. Whoop. And that's okay. That just adds to it. So if I had gold, I would be dropping it in here and pushing the gold out as well, which gives it another element. So you can see right here with the color extender, it gets a bit gummy. I'm actually going to pick it up and bring it a little closer to shake off all those gold pieces. So you can see it's a tiny bit of, if I can catch the light on it, it's a bit gummy. The alcohol areas, here, 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 it's more watery. It's not suspending that ink in something and keeping it from dispersing like the alcohol does. So if I want to break up this gumminess now, I have to go back in with rubbing alcohol. And it's going to let that ink then be reactivated and spread. What I don't love about Ranger is that it tends to have a bit of a sticky film to it. The Pinata doesn't seem to have that. And I may be just feeling this way because I think that the Pinata color is more pigmented. So it doesn't require, like, it just has bolder colors. Whereas you have to use more of the Ranger inks to get more saturation of color. So we're getting this spacey sort of look. And then what I'll do is, oh, you probably, that was a little off camera. I dropped a little rubbing alcohol here, and it's making this round bubble, this round shape. And we're gonna do another one there. And it's gonna push back against that alcohol that's coming in. And so it's just a play of going in with that rubbing alcohol and the ink getting blown back into that rubbing alcohol. And just a light little breath will push it, depending on the direction that you want to go. So right here, I don't want this hard line. A little bit of rubbing alcohol. Oh, that's an ugly color. Yuck. I want it to blow this way. I want it to spread into that drop. Maybe a little blue. And then the color just spreads. So we're just being ginger with our breath and spreading the ink. All right. That's essentially the technique that I used to create the post that Christine wanted to see. Again, if you want to see that original post, it is a piece that I call Nebula, and it is on my Instagram feed. It is at Jady's Creative on Instagram. I also have a Facebook page, and it's also called Jady's Creative. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have never seen me before, please subscribe. And I'm wishing you a really great day. Thanks, Christina, for the question. Bye now.